Students, today we are going to prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet under conversion method. Now I am going to solve one problem which include most of the adjustments. I am going to read the question, listen carefully. Pandian does not keep his books under double entry system. From the following information, prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Particulars, opening informations are given, closing informations are given. Cash sales, cash purchase, carriage on purchase, commission received, drawing, salary, credit sale, credit purchase, carriage on sales, interest on loan, additional capital, office rent, depreciate furniture by 5% and create 1% as provision for bad and doubtful debts. First, we have to prepare opening statement of affair to find opening capital. Yes. Statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018. Liabilities, assets. We have to take all opening information given under 1/1/2008. Furniture 30,000. Furniture 30,000. Cash 10,000. Debtor 40,000. Stock 28,000. Bills receivable 12,000. Bank loan 25,000. Then that last item is creditor. Creditor 15,000. We have to add all assets. The total assets value 1,20,000. 1,20,000 minus 80,000 is our opening capital. Opening capital balancing figure. Next we have to prepare total debtor account and total bills receivable account. Since in this problem BR is given, we have to prepare debtor account and BR account simultaneously. So total debtors account, then we have to prepare total BR account. We have to prepare simultaneously. Opening debtor 40,000, 60,000. Opening debtor account debit 40,000. Closing debtor account credit value 60,000. Then BR, opening BR to balance BD 12,000. Closing BR 35,100. 35,100. Bank loan will not come, credit sale will not come, cash sale, cash purchase, carriage, commission, drawing, salary will not come. Credit sales will be debited to the debtor account. Credit sales value 88,800. 88,800. Credit purchase, carriage on sales, interest on loan, additional capital, office rent will not come. Depreciation and provision for doubtful debts will not affect debtor account and BR account. First we have to close BR account. We have to ascertain BR received. We have to ascertain BR received. That should be transferred to the debtor account credit side. Then we have to close total debtor account. So 1,28,800. 1,28,800 minus these values. The balancing figure already I calculated 45,700. That we called cash received from debtor. This week balancing figure 45,700 that we should consider as cash received from debtor. Then we have to prepare total creditor account. In this problem bills payable not given, so we have to prepare total creditor account separately. Creditor, opening creditor 15,000. Opening creditor 15,000. closing creditor given 16,000. Then cash sale, cash purchase, carriage, commission, drawing, salary, credit sales are not come. Credit purchases will come. It will be credited to the creditor account. Credit purchases. Credit purchases. The value of credit purchases 35,750. So total 50,750. 50,750 minus this equal to 34,750. This we called cash paid to creditor balancing figure. That I ascertained already, 34,750. So by preparing opening statement of affair, I ascertained opening capital. It will be recorded in the liability side. Then total debtor account prepared, find cash received from debtor. It will not come to trading profit loss account balance sheet. Total BR account prepared to find BR received will not come to trading profit loss account balance sheet. Total creditor account prepared to find the cash paid to creditor, it will not come to the trading profit loss account balance sheet. Then we will take other information for the preparation of trading profit loss account and balance sheet. First item is furniture. First item is furniture, 30,000. Since it has adjustment, so I am recording in the inner column. Then cash. Cash, 17,000. Then debtor, closing debtor 60,000. Closing debtor 60,000. Stock, opening stock trading account debit side, closing stock trading account credit side, and immediately it will appear in the asset side. The value 11,000. Next, bills receivable will take closing. Bills receivable will take closing value 35,100. Then bank loan is a liability. Bank loan is a liability. Bank loan is a liability, 25,000. Then creditor. Then creditors are given how much? 16,000. Then cash sales, trading account credit against cash sales 11,200. Cash purchase, trading account debit against cash purchase 4,250. Carriage on purchase, trading account debit. Carriage on purchase, trading account debit 3,000. Commission received, profit and loss account credit. Commission received, profit and loss account credit 600. Then drawing should be deducted from the capital, 8,000 rupees. Then salary 8,900 debited to the profit and loss account. Next, credit sales, trading account credit against credit sales. Then credit purchase, trading account debit side against credit purchases. Then carriage on sales, profit and loss account debit side. Carriage on sales, profit and loss account debit side 700. Then interest on loan, profit and loss account debit. Interest on loan, profit and loss account debit side 2,500. Then additional capital should be added with the capital. Additional capital should be added with the capital. Then office rent, profit and loss account debit. Office rent, profit and loss account debit 2,400. Then depreciate furniture by 5%. We have to deduct from furniture 5% on 30,000, 1,500. So balance 28,500. It should be debited to the profit and loss account. Depreciation on furniture. Next, provision for doubtful debts we have to create on debtor at 1%. So provision for bad and doubtful debts 1% on debtor 600. So 59,400. It should be debited to the profit and loss account. Provision for bad and doubtful debts 600. Now I am going to close the trading account debit side 0, 0, 0, balance 1, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 0. Trading account credit side total 1,11,000. Deduct 71,000. So we will get 40,000 that we called gross profit. That we called gross profit CD. Transferred to profit and loss account. So 40,000 40,000. So our profit and loss account total 40,600. So 40,600 minus this item will get 24,000, that we called net profit. Net profit transferred to capital account. It will be added with the capital 1,04,000, deduct drawing 96,000, then add this 1,10,000. So the total of the liability side 1,51,000, total of the asset side 1,51,000. Students, we completed trading profit loss account balance sheet under the conversion method. We successfully completed the conversion method. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.